You got your layers on? How many?
I have thermal,
Yep.
woolen jumper, your jumper, green puffer jacket, black puffer jacket, 2 scarves, 2 socks, and my undies.
And your jeans.
Oh yeah, my jeans as well. It's 11.
There's still snow. It's freezing cold. How you feeling?
I feel very rugged up.
Yes, but do you feel warm?
Yeah,
That's the main thing. How's your coffee?
yes, not too bad.
What's the name of the place?
Lena?
Lena? Cool. And now you know what that is?
Washington something something?
The Washington Monument.
Okay.
I think we've seen like these Arc de Triomphe type sculptures all around the world. Yeah, I can't do that yet. Yeah, I think we've seen these sort of things all around the world. Because what, we saw one in Barcelona,
Yeah.
so the one in Paris, and now this one. Watch out, Em. There's street sharks about. Want a slice of pizza?
Thank you.
Hello, Casey. Hope it doesn't float away. How to keep warm in New York City. Do you reckon it'll work, Em? Give it a go.
No.
Alright. We're near the One World Trade Center, where the memorial is at Ground Zero, near there. And we're just in Westfield. And I know that we've come all the way to New York and we're in a Westfield, but it is warm, so we don't care. So Emma enjoyed Bloomingdale's for the first time. Fan of Bloomingdale's?
Yeah, it had nice clothes in it.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? You could have spent all day in there and spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
If I had hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
Now we're off to Grand Central Station to check it out. You ready to see Grand Central Station?
I can see it already.
Oh yeah. So the shop we just went to, we tried to pay for our coffees with the 50 and they said they can't accept 50 notes, which is very strange. And that was all we had, so they gave us free coffee.
Which I think is funny, they should have just taken it.
Yeah. Oh well. It is New Year's Eve in New York City and we are trying to make our way across town just past Times Square. This is going to be a challenge, but we're going to give it a go.
It'll be fun.
I mean, it's only, what, 6 o'clock, so...
Yeah, but they've been queuing since 10.
Yeah, since 10 o'clock this morning. So let's see how we go. Should be an experience. You don't want to go up there, Em?
Nope.
So we're starting New Year's at 5:15. Is it 5:15?
Yeah.
5:15. With a glass of red wine. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's a good way to start.
It's alright, it's 9:15 AM in Sydney.
Oh, that's fine then. It's 2018.
Feels a little
Yeah.
bit like we miss out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
People have already moved on.
So Rob and Ollie's ready to ring in the new year. Everyone's excited. Look at them all.
Hey!
What an awesome view of, that's my one.
Good.
Awesome
Alright.
view of the, which one's that? Empire State.
Empire
State. I don't know if you can see it.
Rockefeller as well.
Up there. IN Rockefeller. We got it all here. So awesome spot to ring in the new year. You ready? Ready for
I'm ready.
2018?
I'm ready.
You got your cactus
Put
on?
my potty jumper on.
Party jumper.
Party jumper.
Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Always ready to party, of course. Rob?
I'm with him, so I'm always ready.
Oh, fair enough. You have no choice. It's that time. We've got like 30 seconds till the ball drops. We're just watching it now.
I'm here with my tea.
You got your tea.
It's alright, we've got bubbles.
I got coffee. We got bubbles.
We've got bubbles.
Watching it on TV.
22 seconds.
20 seconds. Here we go.
Goodbye 2017, you've been awful.
2017.
Wow, we were there yesterday. Whoa.
So glad we're not here there now.
Can't really see much.
No.
That's not,
Seven.
That's not the Empire State.
I know. Wait, what happened? It's Happy New Year time! Happy New Year!
This is the first time I don't have to go like, oh, hang on, let me just call my family.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, because I want to see.
Alright, guys.
Haha, yours are up.
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Happy 2018.
Happy 2018! Woo!
Yay! Here's to a good year.